welcome back. So today we're going to be making a pizza oven. I'm going to be turning this into this. So stick around and I'll show you how. Okay, it's day two. The weather's changed a little bit, it's a bit nicer. Chickens are still very noisy, but this is pretty much good to go for the next stage. day 3, and it's had a 12 hours to dry a bit. It's nice and sunny, as you can tell still, so it's dry, and I've actually started this process already. But now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set a fire in here just to dry this off, and then we will excavate more, because I'm just worried that this is not as secure as the dome back there. So we'll do that and then we'll get some more out. Okay, I'm a bit worried that I'm being a bit too adventurous here, ambitious even, impatient, and this is dropping. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to light a fire and make it bigger, and hopefully that'll keep it okay. Okay, I've let it burn itself out. This is all dried a bit more there, so I'm more confident in it. So now we'll take the rest of the stuff that's not burnt, take that out. And take more sand out. Now to light a fire in there to dry it out. Fire set, and that's burning, drying on the inside. You can see here that we've got some cracks appearing, and that's to be expected. So what we're going to just do now is just apply a bit of water and push these cracks back together, smooth out the outside again, and we'll keep doing that until it dries solid, just to hopefully just keep those cracks at a minimum. But then, as you may have noticed, I've also got this ratchet strap holding the top together because there was a bit of a weakness in here. So what I'm going to do is I've got this big 2x6 old, it's been used as a side of an old raised bed. I'm going to cut this into 2x4s and make a brace around the top, and also extend it out a little bit here so we can have something to put stuff on either side. So that will then be the end. I was also thinking about extending this up and putting something like that chimney on top, but that'll have to wait for this to completely dry, so that's not going to happen on this video. But let's get into doing this and then cooking that pizza for lunch. Okay, so we'll see how we go here. The idea is now I'm going to use the ratchet strap over there. I'm not sure you can see that actually. Over there to pull this together, because the idea is this collar holds everything together, but we'll see how strong this wood is. Damn it. Too much pressure on this end. I haven't been filming because it's been a bit of a struggle to get to this point, but we're at a good place now, so here we go. Okay. Now, moment of truth. I'm going to release the ratchets. Let's see if it holds.